In this lesson, guys, we'll take a look at groups in Houdini. You will use groups every day in Houdini, so try to understand it very well while I explain it. Groups in Houdini are very powerful way to help you to create your amazing effects. So here in the network editor, I will hit tab on the keyboard and type Geo, and I will dive inside and delete this node that created by Houdini. And again I will hit tab and I will type test. Okay, I will choose test geometry Tommy. If you don't see this character, guys, that's not a problem, you can choose anything you want. Okay, so I will create that, and here I will hit space and G to frame the character. And if I click on the select tool, guys, here, and if I double click on the shirt, you see I selected all the polygons, right? If I click on the pants here, I am selecting that, okay? But if I clicked on the body, I am selecting all the body. The reason is, guys, when I double click just selecting the shirt or the body, because this is a group, okay? And this is a group. So if I come here to the network editor and middle mouse click and hold the middle mouse click, you see here I have 5 primitive groups: body, eyes, pants, and so on. Okay, so these groups, guys, created by Houdini by default when I created this character. So let's create our own group here. Okay, so now I will make sure I am selecting the select tool, and here I will right mouse click and choose points. Okay, so now I will select the head, something like that. Okay, now, guys, my mouse in the viewport, and I will hit tab here, and I will type group and hit enter. Okay, so here you see I created a group, and here in the group name I will set this one to head. Okay, this is head group. Okay, and now, guys, if you middle mouse click here, you will see now I have point groups head, okay, and 5 primitive groups. The reason this is separated from that, because we created a point group. Okay, so let's delete that now, and again I will right click and choose primitive for now, and I will click on select, and now I will create a primitive group, something like that. Okay, I hit tab and type group. Okay, this is the group. Again I will set it to head, and now, guys, if I middle mouse click, now I have 6 primitive groups. Okay, so you can create point groups or primitive groups, okay, or edge groups. So you see here I have the head. This head group I created that now. Okay, and of course let's try another thing here. I can create a hand group. So I will click on select tool again, and I will select this hand and shift and select this hand too, and again type tab and group. Now I created the second group, let's call that hands. Okay, and now if I middle mouse click, guys, you see I have hands. Okay, this is the hands group. Okay, so you can see the groups in another way. So if you click on select, guys, and if you click on this icon here, you see I have a little window. These are my groups, okay, body, hands, and so on. This is the same like when you hold the middle mouse click, and this is your groups. Okay, so let's turn that off. Okay, guys, so see you in the next lesson.